Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the pack of solar flowers yard art basically. That's with all my purchases. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. I want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. I like doing these videos just to remember some of the things I've bought over the years. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull all this stuff out, I'm going to show it to you, and then I will put them in the yard and give you an idea of what they look like at nighttime. So I'm not going to show you every one of them, but I'm going to show you that there's multiple sets here. So we've got 2 there, 3, and then 4, and then you've basically got your ground stakes. Just a little instruction pamphlet. Should be pretty simple. Let's see if I can give you a view of the specifications in case you're curious about it. And then this is basically what you have. Got this ground stake. Put this through the bottom here. Put it in the ground, and then you've got a solar disc. That will charge them up. Switch on the bottom. I'm going to kind of spread these things out. And I'm going to try and mix them in my flower bed among some various flowers. Just to kind of lighten up the flower bed, fun it up a little bit. Again, you've got 4 sets of them. I should say each set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 stars. So you're talking about 40 different stars that are going to light up per set. That's a quick look at the unboxing. Let's get them outside and see what they look like in the flower bed. Alright, so it is dusk. I threw 1 set of these lights in my flower bed. I thought it might be beneficial just to show you what they look like. They come on automatically. You don't really have to do anything other than just have the switch on. When it gets dark enough, they'll turn on, and then once either the battery goes dead or daylight comes, whichever comes first, they'll turn off automatically. Nice and bright without being too obnoxious in the flower bed. You really don't notice them too much during the day until at nighttime when they turn off, and then you can kind of bend them as you want. You don't have to leave them all bunched up. So if you want to push them down or move them around, you can move them any way you want. Anyway, that's a look at what they look like when they're lit up. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.